car selection.
The FERRARI Challenge has been created 7 years ago.
Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful FERRARI F355 Challenge, 1995. This still has a gated shifter, speedline wheels, and we're going to go into full details to let you decide if you want to put this in your collection. Click on the link below for more information, underside shots, and the full gallery. Also, please like and subscribe so we can give you more great cars just like this. Let's talk about the overall condition. I would rate this one a 8 out of 10. It's a race car, so you're gonna have minor imperfections on the front, small little cracks, paint imperfections because this was used on a racetrack. The speedline wheels are in excellent condition, satin black. You have Continental tires that are from 2021. We do have fresh spark plugs in this one. All of your gaps are very even. Doors open up nicely and close nicely. What we're gonna do here is pop this hatch, show you that high revving V8, and even start it up for you. Let's do it. The rear is extremely clean. All of the grates are very nice. You have the 355 Challenge insignia right here, the proper wing, and then you have fasteners that you pop up to open it up. Exhaust. So this is a 3.5 liter high revving V8 that just makes the best exhaust note. I think this would be a top 10 for the best sounding cars that they've ever produced. I'm gonna pop it right now so you can see it. Engine bay is very clean. It is a dry sump engine. You do have your 2 air boxes here, 2 sensors, and overall condition shows very well. I don't know the actual mileage, but I know that the motor was rebuilt in 2014, and then most recently it was sent to HP Tech Motorsport to basically get gone through, so new spark plugs, and they did a overall inspection of this machine. They put 4 miles on it, or 4 hours on it, so I don't know how many miles that is, but it's dialed in, so whoever buys this is going to be very, very happy. Passenger side condition is the same as the driver's side. All your gaps are even. Also, if you want to see underside shots, just click on the link below. That'll have a full underside gallery. Glass shows very well. The rear section for all of the rubbers around the glass is in very nice condition. Roof line is very nice, so your radio antenna would normally go here. All the mirrors are in nice shape with just minor checking from driving it on the track. Doors open up nicely. You do have a set of Cobra Pro F seats in there with OMP harnesses. Gauges have been updated, and we'll talk about that more when we get inside. You have 14-inch Brembo calipers with 2-piece rotors on all 4 corners. Body lines on the fender area are very nice. You do have your Scuderia crest right here, and the glass up front shows very well. Windshield wipers work. Let's jump inside so I can show you all the beautiful features. Taking a look at the interior, it is a typical race car. You do not have the factory style gauges. You have a set of odometer gauges along with additional gauges in the center. You have your Ferrari placard here that states December 1995 assembly. OMP bottom brackets with Cobra Pro Fit seats, which are very nice. We will have the photos of the actual tags here for the OMP harnesses in the gallery. Foot box is very clean. Passenger seat is included, and then all of your fuses and relays are right in front of the passenger side. This is a very, very nice challenge in regards to condition for being a race car. You also are given the actual side pieces here, so you can close it off if you do want to bring it to the track. Let's close this door, jump inside it, and take it for a spin. Before we go for a test drive, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to click like and subscribe below. Let's fire it off. Oh, we're gonna have some fun now. All right, we're taking the 355 Challenge out for a test drive. This is gonna be exhilarating. You do have several controls here, so you have the ability to turn on your fan, your ignition kill is right here, battery kill switch is here, and your start button's here. My favorite part would be the center section, which is the gated shifter. You do have the ability to use your windshield wipers, and this is a titled vehicle. You can also recall your peak speed by holding this button, and then it will reset once you see it. All of your fuses are right here. Emergency brake handle is on this side. Clutch feels good. Oil pressure is great. Right now our water temperature is around 150, so I'm going to let it warm up a little bit more. Headliner is very nice for a race car. The center bar has been cut out for the roll cage. We do have the side sections and I believe the piece for this. Seats are very comfortable. The harnesses are from 2019. This is arguably one of the best sounding Ferraris that they've ever produced from the era. Shifting is easy. I can straighten the wheel if I pull off. It's a quick release. Fourth gear, no issue. Going 40 miles an hour, great voltage. Oh, that sounds good. Right now we're going to go over the Marina Mile Bridge. We'll turn around and you guys will get to hear this amazing exhaust as I go through the gears. Water temperature is at it's good, 175. I'm going to turn the fan on just to be safe. It's pretty hot today. Going over bumps right now. Suspension feels dialed in. Oh, it's beautiful. This is a beautiful thing to be on the road. We're going to turn here. We still have turn signals and I can hear them. Well, this is when we get to have some fun. So glorious. Brakes are even. Wow, that sounds good. We're gonna go over some bumps right now so you can see the suspension reacts. Nice and firm, big dip right here. No issues at all. Once again, if you guys have any questions, give us a call. 954-363-2261. I'm out of here.